SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation gives product engineers, like you, access to powerful computational fluid dynamics analysis, enabling you to innovate and speed up product design. Working in your familiar SOLIDWORKS environment, this complete simulation technology isn't just about making sure your product works. It's about optimizing your product for how it will behave in the real world. With a 20-year history, SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation provides the technical insight you need to make the very best design decisions. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation enables true concurrent CFD while you design. Built on a unique combination of 7 technologies, SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation gives you access to powerful CFD capabilities without sacrificing ease of use. True concurrent CFD is only possible within a 3D CAD environment that has eliminated the traditional barriers to CFD, such as fluid domain creation, specialist fluid knowledge, and the ordeal of meshing complex geometry. How often have you wanted to understand how your design would perform under various physical parameters or with various design changes? With its intuitive engineering-driven interface, SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation has full associativity with product design, so you can make any modifications at any time as often as required. Imagine the time you could save using very robust convergent CFD software and eliminating the need for specialist CFD input. The automated solution convergence built into SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation ensures shorter run times and enables you to run multiple variant scenarios. Are you forced to accept compromises in your design process because of non-intuitive or overly complex design tools? The fast automated boundary Cartesian mesher with intelligent mesh refinement optimizes and improves the accuracy of your CFD simulations. How do you determine the flow regime in your design? The unique transitional K-epsilon turbulence model eliminates the need to manually specify flow characteristics. Laminar, transitional, and turbulent flow regimes are automatically determined, delivering shorter setup times and increased model accuracy compared to traditional approaches. Traditionally, it is difficult to accurately model the boundary layer in CFD simulations. With its unique modified 2-layer wall function for boundary layer, SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation correctly simulates boundary layer phenomena for fluid flow and heat transfer, all without the need for manual and specialized setup. With the easy-to-use SOLIDWORKS interface, users gain the full benefits of CFD throughout the product development process. The familiar and intuitive interface ensures that product engineers are not required to learn a new graphical user interface, which reduces startup time and increases efficiency. Together, these unique technologies enable truly concurrent CFD analysis, delivering innovative products to market in a shorter time frame. A CFD solution does not need to sacrifice ease of use to be both powerful and accurate. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation gives every product engineer the ability to evaluate how their designs will work in the real world. And performing analysis as you design enables you to make critical design decisions with confidence. Join our large community of engineers using CFD to optimize their products. To find out more, contact your local SOLIDWORKS reseller to see how easily you can attain meaningful results with SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation.